didn't see you there. Hey guys, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today, I'm doing one that I haven't really been excited to do. I'm gonna do the reverse switch on a Rodeo, that little puppy. It is gonna be easy, but only because I got a hold of this forklift. So I'll jump off and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. You actually only need one tool for this though. Just a shifter, a good shifter, not a shit one. It's on the gearbox, under the car. Now, for you, you're probably doing this in your driveway. So you're gonna need to get this car up in the air with two jacks and then put safety stands under them. Do not hop under it without the safety stands. Once the safety stands are up, leave the jacks up, leave it all there, and then you can hop under there. Now, one thing I need to find out for myself is if there's gonna be any oil that comes out when I pull this. So I'm gonna jump into it and we're gonna see if it pisses out oil. Then, if it doesn't, you can proceed with the job. If it does, you need oil drums, etc, etc, etc. So wait to see what happens first and then start the job. Guys, if you need this part, we've got them available at Parts Factory. So cruise onto the website. I think they're $63 with free express post. Compared to genuine, it's gonna be 200 bucks. So it's a freaking switch, guys. You buy an aftermarket one, you don't buy a genuine one. It's insane. Alrighty guys, let's jump straight into this one. Alrighty guys. So, laying under the car here, I'm just gonna turn my brightness up a bit so you can see. Now, if you have a look straight through there, you can see the little sensor hanging out. Let me just see if I can get it to focus a bit better. Yeah, there it is there. Yeah, so you can see it hanging out there, guys, and it's literally just that brown plug in the center of my focus, and of course that switch. Now, based on its position, it's not gonna, the oil's not gonna piss out. So that means the best way to do this job is to take this bracket here. Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's pretty flexible, but look, if you undo this 12 or 13 mil, this bracket will move out of your way. And once it moves out of your way, then you can access in there with a spanner and just go clockwise like this. Sorry, anti-clockwise. Pop up, bang, undo the plug, which is that brown one, which is pretty self-explanatory. And of course, you can pull the sensor out by hand at that point. Yeah, so you can see it there. Once you use the spanner, then you can get it, you can do it by hand. Just literally put your hand up in there, unravel it out. You'll have it in your hand, of course. New one in, take it up in there, screw it in, tighten it up with that spanner, as I said, on this side. Clink it up, and then plug your plug back in, plate back on, and that would be job complete. Guys, I trust you understand. I'm not going to do this job. It is self-explanatory. There is no science behind it, guys. It's literally just move a few plugs and whatnot. It's just my position that makes it a bit hard. I can't use a jack because it's dirt. So that's why I can't do the job properly. So. Alrighty guys, so now you know where it is. You know what tools you need to do the job. You know what bracket to move to get the spanner up in there, and you know that the oil isn't going to tip all over you. Straightforward, crack it, put the new one in, tighten it right up, bracket back on, and that's it guys. So look, we've saved you a bit of money. You know how to do it now, and you've got the parts sorted through us. Guys, if you did appreciate the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. This hasn't been our most thorough video we've ever done, but it's just simply because of the position. I do not want to be under there on this dirt with a forklift that's like 300 years old, guys, so I trust you understand. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. My name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.